James Webb Telescope. So if you see the size of a human is this much, then the James Webb Telescope this much, and the Hubble is this much. So it is said that it is a James Webb Telescope is JWST is 6 times bigger than the Hubble's telescope. The another interesting fact about this is that it orbits the Earth 1.5 million kilometer away and always keeping it back to the us, the sun and the moon. You can see here from its position is like that. Being bigger means it can catch more light, letting us see the galaxy that we couldn't see before. So, what are the benefits of this size? Here we have to say that this JWST is much bigger than the normal Hubble's telescope. So, this is the benefit of it. JWST can peer deep into the cosmos with a laser-like focus. This is how some of the interesting fact of this. Its images capture a tiny patch of the sky, smaller than the grain sand at the arm's length. Okay. And another interesting fact is looking deep into space. Let us look deep into the past. Like if you see like very deep into the space, then the light might be coming billions of years ago. That light you might be seeing today. So this is how we can see in the past. Webb can see the light that was emitted by the star 13 billion years ago when the universe was younger. This telescope will let us see the details in the life cycle of stars we couldn't see before. So this is how from here, then the next step here, then the next step here, then the next step here, then after that here. So you can see this is the life cycle of the stars. And it also help us to understand how the stars and the planets formed and evolved. So it also help to understand these things. By looking into the infrared spectrum of light, JWST will also help us to look for the habitable planet. Like we generally says that the Earth is the only planet where the life is supported, but scientists are looking into the outer space also. Is there any other planet where the life could be possible? So JWST will help in these things also. So infrared wavelength are where the interesting things like water, vapor, and organic molecules emit the most light. So from these things, they will detect that the life form is the exists in that planet or not. So this is how they are going to say that this planet is habitable for the life. So these are some of the interesting fact about James Webb Telescope. Thank you.